Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Bits. Thank you so much for stopping by. Today is a journal with me video in the junk journal insert that I have. It is in the regular size traveler's notebook, and on the left hand side there you see I'm just moving over the chic sparrow nightingale. I house my scrap papers and things like that, and yeah, so I am going to journal about a trip that we took to a place called Ebaraido. There's some, the title isn't full Ebaraido, there's something else to it, but I forgot. But I think they're called something else in North America, but in Japan they're called the Sylvanian family, with the cute, fuzzy woodland animals, like with the rabbits and squirrels, and I think there's cats as well. But this, it's not really an amusement park, but there is this place that has a Sylvanian family attraction, so we decided to go there. It was kind of like a road trip. The weather was really nice that day. It was very windy. I remember it was very windy, but we decided to go there. And yeah, this is the pamphlet, and I like to keep these there. One of the things that I really like about the regular size traveler's notebook is that the pamphlets, for the most part, fit in. And you can see here in this instance I had to trim it down, but for the most part they fit in really nicely, and you can kind of keep these as memorabilia if you want to. So I decided to cut it just because it was a bit too tight. The traveler's notebook insert is getting quite full because it is almost finished. I'm actually finished it now. I need to do a flip through and share with you, but because it's quite full, I had to trim down just the side, and I decided to stick it down, and yeah, just applying a lot of glue. I sometimes struggle if I should put just washi tape so that I can see the back side and I can see all sides of the map or the brochure, but then in this instance I decided to just glue the whole side down and just have access to the map of the attraction or the amusement park. I will from time to time insert some clips. I took some on my cell phone, so I will insert them when I can, or if I can. My son and my husband went on their own play date, I guess, or play time. My son was not interested in participating in the Sylvanian family section of the amusement park, so they went, I think, go-karting or something like that. And my daughter, of course, really wanted to go. So it was really sweet, though, to be able to just spend time with her. I'm usually with both kids, or of course with my husband, and we're usually together. All of us are together, but it was really nice to just spend just alone time with her and just concentrate on her. And I don't know, I just really cherished this time, even though it was very short. We had a lot of fun. She, for some reason, had a lot more fun playing in the water, in the pond, trying to fish for things. But yeah, you can see here in this clip I've inserted, they had these little houses, and in these houses there was like a treasure hunt, and if you collected all the items on the treasure map, at the end of the amusement park there's this little store. They gave you 2 free Sylvanian family dolls, and it was really nice. So we collected all the stamps and all the treasures that were indicated on the treasure map, so it was really nice. And she also met one of the characters there on stage. I don't know the character names, I feel bad, but she had a lot of fun. It was very humid, and that's why she has this water bottle hanging from her. But it was really nice for her to see these characters up close. And I don't know if there's I'm assuming there is like some kind of a TV program for Sylvanian family. I'm not really sure, but yeah, it was just nice for her to see these characters up in real life. Now I am just sticking down some stickers, and that's about it. I do some journaling later on in the video, but I really don't know what else to say. It's pretty self-explanatory. Sometimes I like to, of course I like to journal in my journals, in my junk journals, in my Hobonichi, but I feel like sharing with these videos on YouTube, I really don't have much to say. I feel like I know they're not boring because I personally like to watch them myself, but I feel like I don't have any valuable information to share with you, and I feel a little bad. But if you have any questions that you would like me to answer in the next Journal with Me video, or if you have anything that you would like me to answer, please leave a comment down below, because I would really like to share some information with you, but I really don't know what else to say. These Journal with Me videos are a lot of fun. I love to watch them, and I don't know, I just feel like, yeah, they're not really informative, and I feel bad if I'm just kind of rambling on. But anyways, I journal a bit, and lately I've been really trying to journal on the spot. In the past, I would create these spreads and then I would leave all the journaling till later or whenever I had some downtime. But I'm really trying my best these days to journal right then and there so that I get it all done. I feel like when I flip through some of my past journals, there's a whole bunch of blank spots, and that's okay too. There's photos in there that will jog my memory, but I'm really trying these nowadays to just really get everything done in one sitting. Anyways, I think that's about it. If there's any other questions or comments, please feel free to leave them down below. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.